I wondered what it would take to be a tourist and still experience the city in a unique and authentic manner. Small Car Big City was created to help solve this conundrum. I've spent the last decade training a team of guides and restoring a fleet of classic cars to show you the capital through the eyes of a Londoner. Sustainability has always been hugely important to me. We run numerous initiatives to reduce our impact on the planet, such as double offsetting our carbon footprint, using waterless washes, going plastic and paper free where possible, to name just a handful. The next decade is going to be critical in the fight to combat climate change, and I passionately believe that we all have a responsibility to play our part in the recovery. Our aim is to not only offset the carbon we produce, but to actually be carbon negative by 2022, becoming a force for good and a symbol of environmental change in our industry.